How's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cactus or a half cat, half cactus. So to start off with our picture, we are going to begin with the head. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves down like this. And that's going to be the top of the head. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then down for an ear. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to go up and then down for the second ear. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves all the way around to this side, like that. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And then I'm just going to connect these with a curved line. Then I'm going to draw a small circle right here for a little tag that's going to go on the collar. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, and then it's going to come back up like this, and that's going to be a paw. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down, and then comes back up like this. Now for the little pot that it's going to sit in. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves like this. And then I'm going to kind of line this up, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out and then down. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to kind of line it up. It's going to be up a little higher, and it's going to go out and then down. Then I'm just going to connect the line to here. And then connect this line to here. And then I'm just going to draw a curved line like this. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a diagonal line that goes down. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Then I'm just going to connect these with a curved line like this. So now we want to add some of the details on the face. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a really big circle for an eye. And then over here, I'm going to draw another really big circle for an eye. Then right in here, I'm going to make the nose. So I'm going to make a little line that goes straight across. Then I'm just going to connect it with a V. And then I'm going to draw a little curved line on this side for a cheek. And then a little curved line on this side for a cheek. Then I'm going to make a little chin, so I'm just going to make a little line that just kind of curves right around here. Then inside the eye, I'm going to draw two circles like this, and then two circles like this. Now, let's put a tail on here. So, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up, and then it's just going to kind of curve back like this towards the pot. Now for some details. So I'm going to draw 3 long lines on each side for some whiskers. And then I want to draw some little detail lines on here. So I'm just going to draw a nice little broken line that kind of runs down the center. And then over here, I'm going to make another broken line, but this time it's going to kind of curve. So I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of curves around. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to make the lines a little different looking. Then I'm going to do the same thing, add a couple broken lines onto the ears. And then I'm just going to put a couple onto the paws. And I'm also going to do a couple little lines on the belly. And then I'm just going to put some of these long lines down the tail, like this. So now what we want to do is we want to add the little spikes on here. Now, there's lots of ways you can do it. If you guys remember my other cactus video, you can do like, triangles, you can do little lines, you can do X's, you can do whatever you want. So I'm just going to make some little lines kind of going in all different directions all over this little cat, or Cat-tus. And I'm just going to kind of put them all the way around. Be careful when you put them by the eyes so they don't look so much like eyebrows. And I'm just going to put these all over. And then I'm going to put some on the tail as well. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Cat-tus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.